Stay ahead of daily dust, dirt, and pet hair with the advanced performance of the Roomba 800 series vacuuming robot from iRobot. You don't even need to be home to do the cleaning. With the iRobot Home app, you can clean and schedule on the go. Just press clean, and the robot goes to work, navigating around your home, moving effortlessly from hard floors to carpets and over thresholds, while avoiding stairs and other drop-offs. The Roomba vacuuming robot sweeps corners and along walls and edges, navigates around clutter, and under furniture. Advanced sensors alert the robot to work harder on concentrated areas of dirt and pet hair. The advanced 3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dust, dirt, and even large debris. The Roomba 800 series is great for homes with pets. Tangle-free roller brushes grab hair from floors and carpets, and a high-efficiency filter captures 99% of allergens, particles, and dust. The Roomba 800 series cleans for up to 60 minutes, then automatically returns to the home-based charging station, so it's always ready to clean. You can schedule your robot to vacuum every day of the week, and with the iRobot Home app, you can connect to clean from anywhere, anytime. The Roomba 800 series makes it easy to stay ahead of dust, dirt, and pet hair, so you're free to handle everything else life throws your way. You and iRobot, better together.